Hello students, welcome back. Okay, last time I have completed the chapter 6. This belong to in part B. Now today I am starting a new chapter of our chapter 7, Mastering Typing. Okay, so here today I am discussing the few new interesting topic, introduction, purpose of keys, touch typing, posture, advice for good typing speed. Okay, so our chapter 7 will start. Okay, the name of the chapter is Mastering Typing. Okay, so computer is an essential thing, but we directly feed the data into the computer, so we must use a keyboard. But it requires a regular practice to type fastly. So in introduction you can see keyboard is a popular input device. It is used for typing text, letters, number and symbols into a word processor, text editor or other programs. We know very well different kind of software have different kind of purpose, and we can but we must use a keyboard to type letters, small letters, capital letters, numbers, and there are so many letters we can type. Different types of keyboard are available. Okay, the most popular type of keyboard is QWERTY. Okay, so our keyboard is QWERTY design. This is the one of the row in our keyboard, which is based on typewriter keyboards. Okay, in the early era we can before invention of computer we used typewriter. So based on this concept, the keyboard nowadays we are using the standard QWERTY keyboard have various keys on it, like you already know very well on the keyboard. Alphanumeric keys means A to Z, capital or small, and numbers 0 to 9. Punctuation keys we know very well, comma, full stop, period, semicolon, brackets, parentheses, and so on. Parentheses means small bracket. And special keys means editing keys. We can use movement keys and key combination keys, toggle keys. So space bar keys, enter keys, backspace keys, delete keys, arrow keys, caps lock keys, shift keys, control keys, and key functional keys and escape keys. So I will discuss in detail one by one. So you can see the special keys in detail. First is space bar. We know very well. It allows us to enter space between two words. The second is enter key. Enter key means it is used to move the cursor in the next line, also called return key. Another name of enter key is return key. Okay, backspace key means to remove letters, but from which place? It delete letters left of the cursor. Delete key, it delete the letters right of the cursor. Okay, now next is arrow keys. It is used to move cursor up, down, left or right. Arrow key is used in conjunction with shift and alter key. Okay, now next is caps lock keys. Suppose you want to type continuously or regularly in capital letter, so you have to first on the caps lock key. It is known as toggle key. It is used to type letter in capital form. Okay, the next is shift key. It is a modifier key used to type capital letters and other alternate for uppercase letters. We can also use caps lock, or we can also hold the shift key and type the capital letters. Okay, the control key, it is used in conjunction with other keys to produce control characters. Means control key generally we can use the shortcut commands, so we can do our work fastly. Okay, the another thing is alter key. It is also used in conjunction with other keys to produce control characters. Means single control and alter and shift we cannot use. We must use another another key by holding Alt, Shift and Control, and we can perform our work by using a shortcut. In different application have different kind of shortcuts. Okay, so these are the special keys. Okay, now but our main purpose is touch typing. Okay, so the touch typing is a technique by pressing keys for typing text without looking at the keyboard keys. Okay, so we can type the letters by seeing the keyboard or without seeing the keyboard, but our main purpose is without looking the keyboard we can type our data, but it requires a practice. The other names of touch typings are touch type, touch method, touch and type. Okay, the finger hit the correct keys on the keyboard, that muscle memory by force of habit. Okay, so when we do the same type of work again and again but consciously, so it becomes a habit. Okay, so generally the accepted average typing speed is 41 word per minute. In each and every minute we can type maximum 41 words. Professional career typist can exist 100 word per minute. So our general typing speed is by looking the keyboard, by seeing the keyboard, 20 to 25 letters. But a professional typist will type maximum per minute 100 words. Okay, so WPM means words per minute. Okay, repeatedly and continuously. The row which starts from the beginning of the caps lock key contains the letter. So this is our first row to start our typing. This is called home keys. So home keys have these letters F, D, S, A means in the left hand key, and J, K, L semicolon is the right hand key, is called home rows on the keyboard. This is our the base row. So always we can type our letter. This is our base row or home row. Okay, the best way to increase our typing speed is by require good practice. Okay, the proper posture of body while typing. Always sit straight on the chair. Always remember to keep your back straight. There should be at least 50 to 80 centimeter of distance between your eyes and the screen. Okay, the optimum height of the tabletop or under desk keyboard drawer is 68 to 73 centimeter from the floor. The next thing is the chair and the table height should be chosen so as the expose the shoulder, arm and the wrist muscle to the least possible strain. Okay, so no more extra pressure on our body, so our backbone must be straight. Okay, the wrist can be touched the tabletop in the front of the keyboard. Never sit even a portion of your body weight to the wrist by resting on them. Keep your elbows bent at the right angle. Okay, so we know very well this thing. So simply to maintain the proper grip between computer screen and our eyes, and must be our backbone must be in straight position. Okay, so these are the general thing we should keep in mind while when we use our computer system and when we use our keyboard. Okay, but here I am discuss how to improve your typing speed. So some advice for successful typing. First, hit keys when the finger for which they have reserved. Okay, do not look at the keys when you type. Just slide your finger around until you find the home row. Limit your hand and finger movement only what is necessary to press a specific key. Do not hurry at the early stage of learning. High speed makes sense only when your finger can hit the correct key or right key by force of habit. Take your time in typing to avoid mistake. The speed will pick up as your progress. Okay, maintain a rhythm while typing. Okay, This means the keyboard keystroke should come at the equal intervals. Keep your hand and fingers close to the base position. This improve typing speed and reduce stress on the hand. Do not hammer on the keys. Always try to use minimum force possible. Okay. So the summary of this thing is you can first you maintain your patience, and then you can gradually line by line you should practice, and daily 1 hour require a gentle practice in starting, then gradually you will improve your typing speed. Means typing speed just like a playing a game. Okay, so uh, it's just like a playing a game. Okay, students, so these are the few topics regarding our how to master in typing. These are the basic skills we must should keep in mind when you type. Okay, thanks for attending the online class. You can see the below comment box. You must type your name and class and section and following question answer. Today's my question is, first, what is the popular design of standard type keyboard? Okay, the second question is, write any 2 points of posture of body while typing. Third simple question is, write any 2 points regarding advice for good typing speed. Okay, after writing above answer in comment box, then you type your doubt and your question also, then I will definitely reply. Okay, students, thank you so much.